welcome. Today I will show you how chocolate is made step by step.
Raw cocoa arrives from farms worldwide.
Only the highest quality beans are selected.
Each bean carries unique aroma.
Tons of cocoa are stored before cleaning.
Cleaning removes stones and debris.
Air pressure sorts lighter particles away.
Quality tests ensure consistency.
Roasting develops chocolate flavor.
Beans pop as moisture escapes.
Temperature rises gradually.
Cooling stabilizes roasted beans.
Winnowing removes the shell.
These nibs are pure chocolate essence.
This is the journey from bean to nib. Grinding turns solids into smooth paste.
Cocoa liquor is the base of all chocolate.
Ingredients are measured precisely.
Exact sweetness is controlled digitally.
Automation ensures accuracy.
Conching aerates and refines flavor.
Texture becomes silky and uniform.
Slow processing enhances aroma.
Viscosity defines mouthfeel.
Pipes carry chocolate to refiners. Refining reduces particle size. Resting allows flavors to settle.
Sampling helps verify quality.
All stages flow seamlessly. Fat melts to achieve smooth texture.
Everything mixes into a rich base. Emulsifiers stabilize structure. Molding shapes every bar.
Consistency must remain perfect.
Crystallization creates structure.
Tempering gives brilliant shine. Fillings enhance flavor variety. Bars release after solidifying.
Packaging handles massive volume.
Traceability is essential.
Batch codes ensure safety.
System routes orders automatically.
Strong seals protect transport.
Efficiency drives output.
Quality starts in the lab.
Flavor is evaluated by experts. Pallets are wrapped for safety.
Logistics move products efficiently.
Products ship worldwide.
Inventory is managed precisely. This is the journey of chocolate.
And that's how chocolate is made.
Crafted with passion and precision.
Subscribe for more factory tours.
Thank you for watching.